The expensive cars. Welcome back to the expensive cars, where we bring you the finest, most luxurious, and high-performance vehicles on the planet. Today, we're diving into the Mercedes-Benz G-Class Brabus Wagon, a beast that combines ultimate luxury with sheer power. Let's get started. The Brabus G-Wagon is not just an SUV, it's a statement. It features an aggressive body kit with a full carbon hood, 23-inch monoblock wheels, and a wide-body design that enhances its road presence. The front grille is uniquely Brabus, with its illuminated logo making sure everyone knows this isn't an ordinary G-Wagon. Add in aerodynamic enhancements, custom LED lighting, and a quad exhaust system, and you have one of the most menacing SUVs on the road. Step inside, and you are welcomed by pure Brabus craftsmanship. The cabin features racing bucket seats wrapped in premium leather, a fully customizable ambient lighting system, and a high-tech rectangular F1-style steering wheel for a futuristic driving experience. The dashboard is wrapped in carbon fiber, and even the floor mats are embroidered for that extra exclusivity. The infotainment system is packed with the latest Mercedes MBUX system, ensuring entertainment and connectivity on the go. Under the hood, the Brabus 900 Rocket Edition is an absolute powerhouse. It is powered by a 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing an astonishing 900 horsepower and 1,200 Nm of torque. This SUV can launch from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds, which is insane for a vehicle of this size. The top speed is electronically limited to 280 km per hour, making it one of the fastest luxury SUVs in the world. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth and lightning-fast gear shifts, delivering performance, comfort, and raw power all in one package. Owning a Brabus G-Wagon is a dream for many, but it comes at a hefty price. The starting price of this beast is around $500,000, and with customization, it can go even higher. In Pakistan, the standard Mercedes G63 AMG starts at 87,157,000 PKR, but the Brabus edition costs significantly more due to its exclusivity and high-end modifications. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class Brabus Wagon is not just an SUV, it's a masterpiece of engineering, performance, and craftsmanship. It's built for those who want luxury, power, and exclusivity all in one vehicle. If you have the money, this is one of the best luxury SUVs you can buy. What do you think of the Brabus G-Wagon? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the expensive cars, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the world's most expensive and exotic vehicles. See you in the next one.